On today's episode, we explain what is escrow and how it works, and I want to touch on home ownership and the joy and the pride that comes with it. My name is Mark. Welcome to the Gentleman Broker Mortgage Brief. Welcome, friends. I'm making this week's mortgage brief from beautiful Southern California. So, what is escrow? Escrow is a financial and legal arrangement where a neutral third party temporarily holds money. In regards to a mortgage and your monthly payments, after you purchase a home, your mortgage lender will normally set up an escrow account to pay your ongoing property taxes and homeowner's insurance. Each month, a portion of your mortgage payment goes into this account. When your tax or insurance bills are due, your lender pays them on your behalf using the funds they have been holding on to. So, how does this work? Okay, your taxes are due typically twice a year. That's a big chunk for most people. And the mortgage companies like to make sure those taxes are getting paid. They calculate what the annual taxes will be. They divide it by 12 for equally monthly payments. When you went under contract, you actually funded the escrow account with several months of taxes in advance. It was part of your closing costs. So then you start making your monthly payments, and a part of that is the escrow. You feed that account, and then when the tax bill is due, when the insurance is due, the chunks of money are taken from escrow to pay those installments. So let's say your annual taxes are $6,000 and your insurance is $1,500 per year. We take the $7,500 and we divide by 12, and your monthly escrow is $625. That is added to your principal and interest for your home. Either every year or every couple years, you'll sometimes have the lender you pay your mortgage to notify you that your monthly payment is going up. This is due to your property taxes and or your homeowner's insurance payment going up. They need to add more funds to that escrow to pay those bills when they're due. So that's escrow, an account where they hold your monthly small payments and then pay a big lump of payments when required. If you have more questions on escrow or the home loan process, you can contact me at thegentlemanbroker.com. Something that has been on my mind lately is home ownership and the joy, the elation, the pride that comes with purchasing and owning a home. Lately, people find themselves looking at buying a home purely as a financial decision. And it is important that people know their options and are smart in such large transactions. But there is a huge human side to this. There's an emotional side. Having a home to call yours is the American dream, because this country is one that allows that everyday working person the ability to own property, build equity, and have a voice in how their community grows and succeeds. A home-cooked meal in a kitchen you own, kids jumping on a bed in a room they can grow up in, a workshop or a garage that you can stack car parts for that future rebuild you promise your spouse will only take a year. You're not just buying a house, you're creating a life and building memories. For the real estate agents watching, I know you have a legal obligation, you have contracts, and there is work to be done. This is a large transaction, but it's important to recognize that isn't just a transaction. This is a young family's future. Kids will grow, friends and family will enjoy barbecue in the backyard. And on the other side of that, this is a retired couple's downsized home. They watched their kids grow up. They built their career. They built a community. As they make this next move, selling their home, moving to a new one for the next chapter, it's emotional. This is not small. This is the culmination of a life lived fully. I'd simply like to refresh the importance of adding enthusiasm, placing compassion at the forefront. We are neighbors. We are living in this world together, and it is our honor to provide a pathway to homeownership. In closing, I'll leave you with this quote by Samuel Taylor Coleridge. The happiness of life is made up of minute fractions, the little, soon forgotten charities of a kiss or a smile, a kind look, or a heartfelt compliment. This has been your mortgage brief for the week. For everyone watching, I hope today is the start of a productive week. I hope you are proud of the work you are doing. My name is Mark, and I am the Gentleman Broker.